Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Did you know that it's possible to accelerate hair growth? The vast majority of women dream of long, shiny, and soft hair, don't they? But the truth is that some of them never reach the desired length because their hair takes too long to grow. Is this the case for you too? That's why we decided to show you how you can use rosemary to help you in this mission. Since rosemary is astringent, it's especially great for oily hair. It also helps strengthen hair follicles and prevents hair loss. It also improves blood circulation to the scalp, stimulates hair growth, and prevents dandruff. Incredible, isn't it? But how can you use rosemary oil for hair growth? One way to use rosemary for growing and strengthening your hair is to add rosemary essential oil directly to your shampoo. This is probably the easiest way to treat hair loss with rosemary. Simply add a drop of rosemary essential oil to the jar of your shampoo. Shake the bottle so the shampoo mixes with the oil, and use it when you wash your hair. Apply a small amount of the shampoo to your scalp, massage gently, and then rinse with water. If you like, you can also add the rosemary essential oil to your conditioner and apply it from the middle to the tips. Did you like the recipe? Try it out and let us know what you think. If you already know it, tell me in the comments. Don't keep this information to yourself. Help your friends and family by sharing this tip with them. I wish you good health.